Oh, hello there, Internet. Welcome to DevCycle HQ, or at least our virtual DevCycle HQ with me, your host, Andrew. I don't even have my name and stuff up here, though. Let me change that, change what y'all need. Where's our camera format? I don't get it there. Where is it hiding here? Settings. Is it here? No, not that layout. I'll figure this out. Where do I go? Show display names. That's me. Show headlines. That's also me. Welcome to our stream, everybody. Oh, my hair's out. I'm having a bad hair day. Here we go. Slightly less bad hair day. Welcome to our channel. Welcome to this stream. My name's Andrew. I'm so excited that y'all have decided to drop by our little corner of the internet today for my weekly live stream. Does it toggle? And if you don't know what that is or where you are, fear not, for today I shall explain all to you. But first off, if you are watching this stream, and we've got a couple of people watching, I think, where's most of the people right now? I think everybody's over on X right now. I think you can comment on X now. I think you can chat over there. So if you're on X right now, if you're on Twitter, send some love in chat so I can see that you're there and that I can hear you. I'm trying my microphone in a slightly different spot today too, to kind of see how that all works out. And I'd love to know how things are sounding. If you are all here in chat, I'm also, I think, gonna load up a version of this so I can listen to myself on Echo over on X. Let's see here. There we go. Now I'm live. I don't sound too bad. That sounds pretty good. A little bit of an echo, but that's all right. And let me know how the music is. Let me know how everything's feeling right now. I hope you enjoy my green screen, my very wrinkly green screen. But I love images of myself on like a green background. I don't know why. I got an image done a number of years ago, and I like a profile image, and it just was kind of peak for me. So I try to repeat that all the time. But yeah, if you're here, you've happened upon Does It Toggle, which is a live coding stream where I, Andrew, your friendly DevCycle developer advocate, will try my hand at a bunch of different coding challenges. We've done adding feature flags, DevCycle, feature flag company. We've gone about adding feature flags to CLIs. We've added them to Go projects. We've added them to PHP projects, Vue projects. We've created extensions for JavaScript frameworks. We've done a lot of things. But on today's stream, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We are going to be building a Chrome extension, and I want to try, my challenge for myself today in the next 2 hours is to try and build a browser extension that will block ads based on feature flags. So it's a weird use case and probably one that you would never use, but I want to see if it's possible. So that's going to be our task today, is to try and play around with some OpenFeature compliant feature flags and see if we can create an ad blocker over on the internet. And when we have to choose like a specific format of the internet, I don't know. But yeah, if you're here, by the way, and you want to chat with me, obviously there's chat here. You can also chat with me. Oh, that's the wrong one. You can chat with me over on Discord. The link's down there at the bottom. It's just like that bit.ly/DevCycle Discord is where you can get in touch with me. But also, please, in chat, throw some comments out here. I love when people show up and say some things. And I find that these Friday afternoons are kind of a great time for people to drop by and check things out. So if you're a first-time viewer, welcome. If you're just here to kind of vibe with me, I'm here for that as well. I'm just going to be talking into the void until some people decide to check in with me. So let's kind of kick things off. I'm going to move my window here over to a different window. And I'm going to go here. I might need to... The only downside to this is I need to be careful when I move my head that my audio doesn't disappear, and maybe I just need to like move my microphone into a slightly different space. This should be okay. I'm like looking off to the side of my desk for comments as they come in. But yeah, let's load up devcycle.com. This is what we're going to be playing around with today, which you can't see because I'm not sharing my screen. I'm going to share my entire screen. So this is what we're going to be looking at today, dev cycle. But specifically, we're also going to be looking at dev cycle with OpenFeature. If you've never heard of OpenFeature, open standard in feature flagging, dev cycle, big part of the ecosystem. We have a ton of SDKs. In fact, all of our SDKs that we have OpenFeature support. Yeah. I think they do. Yeah. But this is the one we're going to be using today as our web provider, our JavaScript web provider. So this is going to be the one that's going to be the most important. Yeah. And then the other thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to do Chrome extensions. Building Chrome extensions. Here we go. Building Chrome extensions. I think I used this free code camp one last time. I haven't looked through this one, but this is really what we're going to need is, build your first extension. Oh, we might follow the official thing. I also want to look at, we'll probably look at a hello world sample just so we can get an idea of how things work. Okay, so here is a test extension. And I feel like it's good to just take a look at this to get started, because this is going to help us to understand things. So a couple things that we need in here that I know of having looked at this before. So we've got this manifest.json thing. And so this is basically where we define all of our information. So this is going to be where we define the name and the version. And I'm not sure where the key comes from. We'll find out later. We've got our page.js, and this is our source of all of our JavaScript stuff. So get response button, get response, add event listener, create a counter, hello world extension, and so yeah. So basically, we've got this button that we're going to press that's going to do a counter. So this is not really a hello world extension. This isn't a hello world extension at all, interestingly enough. But yeah, that is it. So that's our extension. I'm going to duplicate this and go back, because there was a guide here and maybe it explains everything. That was just a sample there. Build your first extension. Okay, hello world extension. Hello extensions, display hello extensions. Okay, so this is an actual hello world extension. So let's build this. All right, start by creating a new directory to store your extension file. So I'm going to create I'm going to open up VS Code. I've got a different VS Code open here. So let me open a new window. I'm going to move out of my side view here. Oh, I can't move out of my side view quite yet. Okay, let's go over here. And I think you're seeing my VS Code screen. I think I might need to rectangle this, maximize. And then let's go here, and we're going to maximize this as well. Okay, so we'll get, this is as maximized as I really want it. I'm also going to hide my doc when I'm not using it. I think that'll let me maximize more. There we go. And then let's go here, and we're going to maximize more as well. Okay, here we go. So now we've got our sort of extension overview. We've got a new project. Let's create a new directory. Let's go terminal, new terminal. Let's go make dir. What do we want to call it here? I don't want to download the whole thing. I'm going to call this just make dir Chrome extension. Maybe Chrome ext just for short. Okay, let's cd into there. Let me bump this up. All right, there we go. And ls, there should be nothing in there. And then let's touch and make a manifest.json file. Touch manifest.json. Awesome. ls. Okay, so let's, how do you open in VS Code? I'll just open this folder in here. Open folder. Chrome extension. All right, sweet. So here we are, Chrome extension. We've got our manifest.json. All right, so next create this. For example, most manifests contain action key which declares the image Chrome should use as an extension's action icon. Okay, let's grab all this stuff. All right. manifest version hello. I'm going to call this hello description base level extension version 1 default pop-up hello HTML and default icon hello extensions. Download the icon to your directory, but make sure to change its name to what's in default icon key. Okay. Hi. Copy image, save image as default icon. And we're going to head over to here and our Chrome extension and save. Okay. Oh, and actually that's the wrong name. It should be hello extension. Hello extension. Okay, here we go. Awesome. We're going to keep this one up here, but I don't think we're going to need it. Download the icon. For the pop-up, create a file named hello.html and add the following code. All right, let's add a new file called hello.html. I hate that it's doing this nunjucks. It's just HTML. Okay, let's add this. Awesome. Hello extensions. Perfect. And now play a pop-up. When the extension's action icon is clicked, you can test it in Chrome by loading it locally. Load an unpacked extension. Go to the extensions tab. Okay, extensions. I only got honey on here. Okta, honey, and Okta. I'm gonna remove honey. I don't really need it on here. Manage extensions. Developer mode. Load unpacked. I think I'm just gonna load this folder. Failed to load manifest. Did I rename the manifest? Did I name it something wrong? Manifest.json. All right. Developer mode, load unpacked. The extension is fully installed. Select the extension directory. Okay, so that's right. This is all good. Chrome extension. This should be good. Hello HTML. Hello extensions. Maybe there's an error here. It's weird that would throw an error, but okay, this is all good. Save. Good. All right, let's go extensions. Developer mode. Load unpacked. Select. Okay, good. So there we are. And so now we can add this hello extensions, pin that. And now if we click this, okay, awesome. So this is it. This is literally what we're getting here. This is awesome. This is super simple. I love it. I love it. All right, I'm going to turn off that banner on the bottom there. And I'm actually going to move me. Do I want to be there or there? I think I'm going to go there. Yeah, that's fine. But if you're just in chat, if you're just showing up, welcome. We're building a Chrome extension that uses feature flags to hide advertisements. Okay, so first things first, we have our base extension that's here. Now, is this giving us more pin extension? Reload the extension. Okay, I don't really care to do that. Fix console logs. You can debug your code using console logs, script pop-up console log, create a pop-up.js file, and add the following code. Do I really need that? Error logs. Don't feel like I really need that. Use TypeScript. Try again, my friend. We will not be using TypeScript today. Okay, I mean, this is great. This is awesome. So what does this actually tell us how to do? Is this the same idea? Yeah, COVID stats, Bootstrap. Don't really need any of this. Script.js. Async function to fetch data. Okay, cool. And what's in the manifest file here? Default pop-up, latest COVID report. Okay, so I think that what we're going to start with is we're going to head over to docs.devcycle.com. Oh, actually, it's right here. We're going to head right over here, and we're going to need to use this as a CDN, potentially. I think this is available as a CDN. Maybe not. Webpack or ES build with Chrome extension. A simple Chrome extension built using TypeScript. make sure you have the following: npm run install, npm run dev, building assets for uploading to Chrome store, npm preview the production locally. What do we actually have here? Build.js. Okay, it's all TypeScript stuff. Let's see actually if there's a better extension thing in here. Webpack Chrome extension. Boilerplate. So this is good. Like finding these previews. That's old though. ES build. Chrome extension. ES build. Chrome extension ES build. I don't like that it needs React. ES build browser plugin list. I made a template for building browser extensions. Using Svelte. Why would you need a Svelte browser extension? Seems odd. Ooh, Safari. Compiler. We might just need to do this from scratch, which is fine. I'm okay with that. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna need to create a new script in our hello extensions. This is what it was showing us before. So when we were over here, it actually had us do this, add some JS. Yeah, so let's add this popup.js. We're gonna actually have this just as like index.js. And then it's not gonna find it. Create file, I love that. All right, and then we're gonna let's first try this console log and just make sure this is working. And if I go here and go here, manage extension, I think there's like a refresh that it'll give us. Refresh. Let's see. I guess that was a console log, wasn't it? Ooh. I guess, is it not running? Or maybe, was that there was an error that appeared in here? Or do I need to refresh it again? Details? Collect errors. I guess I should have read through this documentation. Create a pop-up file, open the pop-up, right-click the pop-up, select inspect. Ooh, I see. Okay. Yeah, so great. It's doing this. It's just running that. Oh, I guess it doesn't run it when I click it. It just runs it when I open it. Okay, that tracks. Perfect. So that extension is working. We've got JavaScript in here. I don't even think we actually need this. The actual preview there. Yeah, I don't want to pop up at all. Action? What are the actions? Or what are service workers? Before you start hello world, service worker, download icons. I mean, let me go over to, we had an example code that we had here. It actually provided us with like sample apps. So let's go to samples, and then it had this hello world example, which isn't actually a hello world example. But in our manifest, service worker broken, let data, Chrome runtime install, git runtime manifest, version. You actually don't know what these service workers are. I'm going to try something different, and I'm just going to have this set up. I don't actually need this. I'll keep the default extension, but actions, maybe there's some documentation on this. I'm going to duplicate that. Ooh, filter by action. Cookies. Develop. Introduction, design the user interface, core concepts, content scripts, how to. I want like design the user interface, side panel, action. Default. Oh, so this is all the actions. Default icons, default title. None of that stuff even matters to me. Could you just include like without having this in here? I don't care about this. I don't actually want to pop up. I don't want this. I don't want this. Do I need to define that manifest? Icons version, register a content script, inject a content script, action, default pop-up. No, I don't need that. Runs a script when the user clicks the action toolbar icon. Following list. Does it run this service worker? I don't even know if I actually need any of this. This is pretty scripting active tab. I might have to add these permissions on it. I'll add these permissions just because I'm not 100% sure. I just want to see if it'll actually run this. Okay, so let's go back over to our extensions, refresh this one, and then see. Oh. Yeah, I want to see console. I want it to console log in there. I don't know if that's actually how this works, though. Creating a browser extension. What are the service workers? Service workers that actually gave me some service workers. About extension service workers. You should mention, read the section whether you're familiar or not. Okay, great. Where service worker introduction. Extension service workers are a few with their web counterparts. Extension service worker is loaded when it's needed and unloaded when it goes dormant. Once loaded, it works generally, runs as long as it's actively receiving events, though it can be shut down. Cannot access the DOM. You can use it if needed with off screen. Okay, I mean, I don't fully understand what this is for. Okay. What if I just want to run? Maybe I should look in our, this one right here. Okay, script.js. Is this loaded? Okay, this is loading script.js. So if I don't want to pop up, how do I, or did they not have a pop-up? Default pop-up index.html, okay. I feel like Chrome extension without pop-up. Open tab without pop-up. I've used the following code in my pop-up HTML. So when I click the extension, new page doesn't, but does so on empty browser problem at the bottom. So options remove default pop-up from your manifest, and then you can listen to icon click events in a background page or event page. So an on-click handler, you can go window close, your pop-up, have it open as soon. Okay, that's not what I'm looking for right now. Pop-up blocker, how to make Chrome not extensions in a pop-up window. Chrome extension, run JavaScript when clicked. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. Permissions, logo, notifications. How do I write a Chrome extension? So every time my script is run, no pop-up is opened. Remove the pop-up from your browser action section of the manifest and use background pages along with browser action in the background script. Okay. Let's see. Chrome browser background pages. You're doing extension. Okay, so this is extension service workers. Mine.html. First you want to show pop, remove pop-up. Background.js. Okay, so this is where I am actually doing this. So I don't need. Finally, test script is where to execute when the icon is clicked. Second, to execute a script. Please note you can only do one thing when the browser action is clicked. Either you can show a pop-up or you can execute a script. You can't do both. Second, to execute a script when the please place the code. Execute script file. Oh, okay. So that kind of makes sense. Oh, yes. Okay, I think this makes sense. So Chrome action on clicked. So I want this to, I do want a service worker actually. How was I doing that? Get started. Build your first extension. Handle events with service workers. What were they calling theirs? I'll just call it service worker then. All right. Service worker.js. New file. Service worker.js. Import and import multiple service worker modules. Okay, extension register the manifest. Let's paste this. Index.js, no manifest. And I need to copy this. Okay, that's good. Let's go over here and refresh this. By the way, welcome. I know we got a few more viewers on here, so welcome to the stream. We're building a Chrome extension today. But is our Chrome extension working? It doesn't appear to be. Oh, maybe I needed a specific permission set. Further note, you'll not see hello, you will see hello. Go to the extensions menu and click on inspect views. Where? Console? Details? Allow incognito, collect errors, loaded from service worker. Maybe it's this one. Okay, good. So it's doing hello lots of times. Awesome. Okay. Is that what I wanted? Is that what it was supposed to be in here? Okay. So now let's go back over here. So execute script. I wonder if I can do console log now. Console, index.js. And then we're going to do console log. This is a pop-up. Maybe hello world. Hello world. Service worker Chrome on clicked. Execute script. Hello world. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Back over to... I really don't even have my comments up. If anybody say anything. Hello, everybody. All right. Okay, let's clear this. Third-party cookie, no. So that's not throwing anything. Oh, errors, there we go. Chrome tabs execute script is not a function. Why is this Chrome function not working? Let's add all the permissions maybe. On message, background JS, permissions scripting, target ID all frames, Chrome scripting API. So it's Chrome scripting API. Maybe it's here. So maybe it's this. Chrome scripting. Chrome act scripting. Let's just do index.js. Let's see if this works. And let's comment that out. Head back over here. We're still getting lots of errors. Let's clear all these errors and see. Oh, all right, so it is throwing an error. Service worker registration failed. Do I not have a service worker.js file? Service worker.js, okay. Extensions or register a service worker in the manifest. Okay. First, I need to declare service worker in ES module. Create the service worker and import 2 modules. Okay, hold on. Import multiple service worker modules. Oh, no. That's not what I want to do. Why is this not working then? What is this throwing? What's the error this is throwing? Service worker uncut reference ID is not defined. Service worker registration failed. Is it actually failing? Okay, I'm trying to script has, oh, this means the script has an error. Okay, execute script, tab ID any. Can I do any? I feel like that's going to throw an error. Execute script, Chrome extension, permission scripting active tab, get tab ID. Do I need to specify it on a specific tab? You cannot specify both and all frames. Runtime functions. So I do have to run it on a specific tab. Get tab ID. So that's fine. Do I need to target though? That's my question. Scripting. Declare the scripting permissions in the manifest. Okay, plus the host permissions for pages to inject the use host permissions key or the active tab permission, which grants temporary host permissions. Active tab. You can use the target parameter specify a target to inject data services into. The only required field is tab ID. By default, an injection on the main frame of the specified tab. Okay, what is this though? What do I run for this? Get tab ID, query active true. Okay, let's grab this. Okay, all right, and then we want to run based on this tab get tab ID. Yeah, and I'm actually going to call that script.js. I also like this. I like this. Okay. Script execute script target. Okay, like that. We're going to call this, we're going to rename this to script.js. Script.js. Return. Where is it expecting? Let's see what our recommendation is to fix this. Great, do it, accept. Okay, return tab ID. Great. Okay, we can get rid of this now, script.js. And let's head back over here and clear all, back here, refresh, errors, okay. Get tab ID, anonymous function. Is that wrong? Oh, get tab ID. Just had an extra. This, ladies and gentlemen, is why you should not just use things you find on Stack Overflow blindly. Okay, clear all. Let's try this again. We'll get an error. Error invocation, script injection optional, error at parameter. Where is it going to execute script? Why? Expected integer found string. Expected integer found string. Property at target. Okay, so what is this actually returning then? Chrome tabs, query active true, function tab, 0 ID. Can I run this anywhere? What if I just console log or let's just console log that. Console log, get tab ID. Chrome scripting. Okay, we'll cancel that out. Refresh this. Errors. Service worker anonymous function. Clear here. Refresh. Okay, no errors, but inspect. Let's inspect there. No, it's in. No. Oh, inspect view service worker. Console log. Do I not have it? Default levels, service worker. If I refresh that. Service worker. Am I not console logging this? Console log. What if it is a console log hello world? Maybe that's what I need to do to start. Hello. Okay, good. So that's good. Get tab ID, Chrome tabs, query active, function tabs. Tabs ID. If I go just this. Does that not return? Okay, let's try this. Promise good, fulfilled array 2, 0, 1. Okay, so I have 2 active tabs right now. Where do I get the ID though? Okay, active, true. What are the active tabs though? Does it give me options in here? Prototype, no. Muted info, cognito, false, highlighted, group ID, auto discarded. ID, I wish that I knew which was which. I wonder if there's information in here. Constructor. No, this is all information about the object. Window ID. So these are obviously the 2 Chrome windows that I have open. And I can't close the other one. Sorry, you're not able to see this very well. Group ID -1. So why am I not function tabs? What is this doing here? I feel like this is part of the issue. What if I run this? Actually, I want to just run all of this inside of this console log. Can you not do that? argument is expected. No, I genuinely should be able to just run this get tab ID function. Yeah, I should be able to run that and then just have this show up. Clear, okay. What if I do console log tab ID? Okay, so it's just not finding a tab ID. Oh, tab ID. Goodness gracious. Bet you that'll work. No, still nothing. So that should be returning tab ID, tab ID, tab ID. Function tabs. Where is it reading? I don't think this is right. Function tabs? If I console log tabs, what happens there? Yeah, error, invocation of tabs query object, no matching signature. Oh, whoops. Well, hold on. Can I run it in here? Okay, good. So it runs tabs there. So what if I run tabs? Array2, okay. Tabs 0. .id. Okay, that should now. Okay, good. Okay, so what if I console log tab ID now after this? Do I need to do this? No. Is it just because of the way that I'm doing this? Do I need to run it inside of here? Oh, okay, that fixed that. Okay, that's good. So let's console log tab ID. Okay, that's what I want. So now service worker, console log, oh no, ID. Okay, good. We're getting the right ID there. Okay, good. So now, yeah, tab ID. What if I console log tab ID now? So we're not actually getting a tab ID in there. But it is going in there. Do I need to do this as like const? No, it's not const. I feel like if I do, oh yeah, that's good. Tab ID not found. Let's go refresh this. My light just came on again. It's gonna be nice and bright here. Tab ID not found. Okay, can remove this. Okay, clear this, refresh. And now it's going to throw this tab ID not found. Okay. So this is just some simple JavaScript stuff. So this is a function that I'm running. return. So this is fine. So this is working. Yeah, Casual Economist, welcome. I'm just building a Chrome extension today. That's it. I'm going to try and build a pop-up blocker. So I'm just kind of exploring how Chrome extensions work and like service worker scripts right now. So I'm just playing around with this. What is my recommendation here though? I feel like, why is this not working? Let's ask, let's highlight this. Modify using Copilot. Why is this not returning the proper tab ID? I see. Okay. So here, tab ID. Yeah, so this is a new promise. It's interesting that this wasn't caught over here. Or maybe it was? Where did I get this? Oh, duh. Yeah. So I love that I grabbed the bad code and now it's giving me the right code here. I bet you this will work now too. Okay, let's run this. Let's forget that. Forget that. Let's go back here and refresh. And then I bet you anything it's going to work. And we'll see in the service worker. Okay, we got our ID. Awesome. So we don't actually need that anymore. We actually now just need this. Okay, so it's going to grab our active tab. Let's refresh this. Errors. What am I getting errors here? Cannot access contents page. Must request permissions to access the respective host. Can access contents of the page. Cannot access cannot access contents of this page. Extension must request permission to access the respective host. Let's see. Permissions, tabs, notifications. Maybe we'll just add all of this to our manifest. I'm going to do all of this stuff. See if this works. Back, clear all. Error's gone, still getting an error here. This is an unknown. An unknown URL pattern. Okay. Great. Will this work? No, same error. So it's actually trying to read from my StreamYard right now, my StreamYard tab. I'm actually going to set this to this one. Errors. Chrome URL. Actually, let me put it back to 0. It's fine. It's fine if it's accessing my StreamYard. It's not going to matter for us right now. URL pattern. Host permissions for all hosts. Host permissions? Is that what this is? Host permissions? Okay, so we're going to do this. Host permissions. So this, let's just leave this. And then we're going to add a new one, which is host permissions. Ooh, that's not right. Host permissions. I don't know if this is going to work. I have a feeling. I'd actually, let's see. Let's refresh this. over here, clear all. Okay, no errors, it's good. Script injected, okay, sick. So that should now be running a hello world. I know very little coding, got questions, I'm afraid. No, casual economist, go nuts, man. You're not, or casual economist, go ahead. You're not slowing me down at all. What would you like to ask? Ask away. That's what these streams are for. We're just kind of hanging out, coding. This is low key, low lift. I'm here to answer your questions. Okay, so it's running script. So we should be getting this console log, and then we should be getting this execute script over here. So we should be getting hello world somewhere. Over here, maybe? Hey, nice. Okay, I'm going to change it to a different active tab. I'm actually going to open a different tab. Actually, I can just load it here. Let's go here, and if I open my, it should grab my active tab. I actually want this to be my most active tab. I wonder if it's still going to be running over here. Clear. Yeah, I don't want to clear this. Okay, let me try it. I'm going to open another one. Manage extensions. I'm going to open this as a new window over here. I want to refresh this. And I'm hoping it's not going to grab this here. One user message client. No, your client. Google one. So how do I select the most active tab? I guess they're all active tabs. I'm going to update my code here. Seriously, casual economist, ask the questions. I'm here to answer. So please, please, please go ahead and ask. Target all tabs. All tabs. Chrome extension. All tabs, Chrome extension. Iterate through all tabs. Passing an array. Chrome tabs. Send request tabs. Action XX. Action XX. Chrome tabs for each function. Okay. I want to just get action tabs. Asynchronous callback version. We're going to use the dev cycle product help. Yeah. We're not there yet. We're still like kind of exploring this. So we're not quite there yet, but we will be. We'll get there. Function tabs. So yes, we're using JavaScript. We're just using vanilla JavaScript for this today. Tabs for each. I saw that get help thing. That was fix your code. Oh, that was Copilot actually. So yeah, basically, if you're in and you were running Copilot on your code, it'll show up as like you install it as an extension. I'll restart my extensions actually. And then, yeah, it actually gives you this like little Copilot down here, and you can like kind of highlight code, and it'll give you this little like idea pop up, and you can ask it questions. It'll also autocorrect too, but tab ID, Chrome scripting, execute script. Tab ID. Okay, tabs for each. Okay, so I want to get all of my active tabs. Oh, whoops. Nope. So I want to change this. Oh, No, Chrome active tabs. Okay. Okay. Chrome tabs query if tabs resolve tabs ID. No. Reject. No. Chrome scripting execute script files then script injected. Okay, we're gonna try this. So what I want to do here. Chrome scripting execute tab.id. I think that should work. And then I'm actually gonna cancel out all of this stuff. So this, now if I go back over to my extension, inspect here, and go to my console, clear all of this, and let's refresh this. I might get an error. Okay, but it did work. I got my hello world. What are my errors that I'm getting though? Oh, okay, that's fine. So it worked in all the places I want to. So here now I have an extension that on-click extension on-click Chrome OS. Go Chrome extension, hello world. Right click select. Okay, Chrome use extensions. I feel like I need to go handle handle events. Service worker uninstalled. Add listener, no. Hold on. Let's see. Chrome action on clicked. Okay, I think I've got it now. Okay, Chrome on clicked function tab. Okay, I think I've got this now. I think I've actually got it. So I want it to do this just on the individual tab that I'm opening. So Chrome on clicked function tab. Okay, so this should grab the active tab. Okay, this and then that and then that. Yes, okay, awesome. And then I want to run on that tab this stuff. So now this should just run on this single tab because I don't want to run on every open tab, just the one that I'm looking here. So now let's refresh this. Action on clicked. Okay, let's clear this over in my other menu and I'm going to refresh this. No error. Service worker. Okay, nothing is there. So now if I go here, let's go into this, inspect, console. No idea what this is. Clear that and close that. And now if we click this, we should be getting hello world. Okay, awesome. So this is our extension. I want to try to make coding as easy as possible right now. I've got to build a portfolio as quick as possible. Why do you got to build one as quick as possible? I mean, I'm super happy to help, but this is a cool way. Extensions are a good way to build a portfolio because they just like do things. Okay, so I want to run this injection on this script. Okay, so here we go. We got our service worker that runs this stuff. We don't need any of this stuff anymore. Okay, and then I want to now, instead of running hello world, I want to look for, need a better job. Yeah, I hear you. It's a good way to do it. Like learning how to code is definitely a powerful way to do that. All right, I want to look at here and I want to see what these ads. So Stack Overflow is a great idea here because we can actually remove whatever these ads are here because I feel like they'll be identified by some tag. iframe. Everyone loves Stack Overflow. That's amazing. Everyone loves. Nice. No, that's not what I want though. Add. Does this get a custom Google Active View? Okay, so this is it. Does it give us any Google ad choices? I want to see if we can search for ad choices. Ad choices. No, I don't want to. Well, actually, if I disable this, delete element, no. Delete element. No, I don't want to do that. Let me refresh this for a second. Okay, here we go. This is all add choices stuff. Okay, I think. No, I don't want this. Body. Wait, is all of this related? Content snippet hidden, item scope. Sidebar, sidebar. JS zone container, div, DFP by love stack overflow, questions. I just need like a way to identify that this is an ad. Ooh, advertisement, is this it? What if I delete this? So ARIA label advertisement. Do all of them show that though? I have a feeling they don't. Yeah, that doesn't actually show as advertisement. Oh, there we go. What if I delete this? So that removes that. Report ad though. It doesn't actually. It's funny because this will just remove this, which is like the Google ads, but maybe I can do the surrounding div. Google image. I literally just started today. Literally, we're gonna see how far we can get in a couple of hours. And then I'm going to explain how like you could use DevCycle in this, because I feel like, or like OpenFeature, because I feel like there's something really cool there. Okay, so what if I want to Google syndication, Google AV, data, Google AV? Maybe I can just look for this. Google syndication, data, Google AV. There's some flags in here too. What is this data Google AV? Data Google AV. Okay, that found some weird stuff. Where are we hiding here? Oh, here we go. Google Active View element. Is this just what this is? Will that be an identifier? I mean, I'm gonna assume that this will grab it. So this is the class. So get all items with a specific ID JavaScript, specific class. Wonder how you started this project. Yeah, you definitely can. So honestly, Casual Economist, if you want to do this, like literally go to, it's like Chrome extensions. And then there's like an actual walkthrough of how to build one. Like if you go here just to like developer.chrome, just like Google Chrome extensions, and then they've got like an overview and start building, and they actually walk you through like building your first extension. But yeah, you can watch the video and see that too. But it's super easy. Well, so far. Okay. Okay, so get all items, document query selector all. Sheetcodes.io. Query selector all elements. That's what I want. All right. And I want to go here, query selector all, and I want it to be Google Active View element. All right. I want this. And then element style. Why are you not running? Should be catching this. Style. Oh wait, hold on. Element dot style. Dot display equals none. Okay, that's what I was looking for. Okay, so now if I go over onto my tab and I click here, oh, I need to reload it. Okay, so now if I click this, it should. Ooh, it's throwing errors. Elements has already been declared. Ads. Ads. Oh, ads. Add style. Okay. It just basically said the error that I got was like, this error has already been declared. Or the elements has already been declared. So let's go back over here. I refreshed it. And now if I run this, it should not throw an error, but it is throwing lots of errors. Identifier ads has already been declared. Okay, but you're not actually finding it. Is it by, did I do by ID? Query selector, Google active view element, okay. It should already find it. Display none. Style, position absolute. Maybe Google image div. Google active view element. So it should be finding it here. Okay, let me try that here. Just in the console. Undefined. What do you mean undefined? Query selector all, undefined. Okay, let me refresh this maybe. Let's try this again. Let's just remove the ads. Node list, length 0. And maybe we'll just do 0. I think, yeah, it's returning as undefined, but I don't know why. Hold on. Why though? Does it not find it? Okay, node list. So it does find this, but what is it seeing in here? Okay, there's nothing in that node list. Can I find another one? If I want to just find like something that's more class image glyph, let's try this. Node list. Length 0 again. Query selector all. That definitely is what should be working. Get all elements by class name. Is something changed? Document get elements by class name. Maybe that was by ID. Simple JavaScript, but simple JavaScript is not always simple. Example. Let's go. Interesting. So it's actually not, is it not finding anything? Length 1. Let's go 0 for here. And go 0. Undefined. Get elements by class name. Document get elements by class name. Okay, what was our other option? Get elements by class name. And then we're going to do this image glyph dash img. Okay, so we get 1 there. Google active view element? What if I go the underscore glyph? Underscore glyph. Okay, I wonder if they've built something into this so you can't hide Google Ads specifically. Can I search by ID? Console. Okay, get elements by ID. Get element by ID. There we go. Okay, is that finding anything? It doesn't find anything. Makes sense. Get element by ID. Okay, so that's finding something. But I can't grab it by the active view element. I mean, it says add choices. Is there any add choices anywhere in here? Does it mention add choices? Add choices. Attribution data. Can I search through that? Search through, what do you call those? Data attributes, selector, JavaScript. Okay, data selector, query selector all, and then I want to grab data. Okay, let's see there. So let's go back here. Let's refresh our extension. Clear that. Okay, why are you getting that? Uncaught identifier ads has already been. Oh, well, whatever. I'll just pull this. You're not seeing this either way. I'm going to pull this over into the console. Okay, what are you finding? Aria, node, base URI. Okay, so that was the specific script. Okay, I don't want script. Add choices. I just want to refresh this because I want to maybe kill specific ads, maybe. Oh, hold on. Yeah, I'm more interested in like this specific one. But I want to grab more than just, I do want to grab by this specific div. Like I want to grab by this class. I wonder why it's not letting me. Yeah, it's not finding that. Okay. It did find this, length 1. Okay, so it did find that. Document query selector all. Okay. That's already been declared. Let's grab this. Add style display none. Okay, so we're going to clear that. We're going to refresh this. Clear. Okay, so it's because I already clicked that. Maybe I'll do const ads. For if ads. If no. I want to do if ads. If ads, no ads. Just do const ads. No, I'm just going to leave that blank. And then if ads, do this. Add no ads, do this, ads equals this. Okay, I think this should work. Ads, add that in there. Constant var ads. Okay, let's refresh this. Let's clear our errors. Let's go back over here to here. Clear this. So now running this, okay, it's not going to throw errors, not throwing errors anywhere, but it's also not doing what I want it to. So let's throw a console log in here. Add removed. Update this, refresh over here. Come back over here. So now every time I click this, it should say add removed. Ads. Maybe I'll just do console log ads. Oh, console add ads. Console log add removed. Refresh. Okay, I need one of those ads back. Okay. Not throwing any errors over here, but also not doing anything. So we'll see here. I'm going to console log ads up here. Let's refresh this. Bring back over here. Node list. Okay, we're getting this. My length is 0. So we're not finding any in here. No, we are. We should still be finding no ads if ads equals null. Let's refresh this. This might solve it for me because technically ads is there. Clear this. Click this. Node list. Okay, we're finding length is 0. That's not ideal. What if I do this myself? Document query selector all. So that finds it. Length 1, okay. Maybe because it's the document, so it's not actually, is it like window? Window? Document query selector all. Document query selector all. Query selector all. Okay, so it should be finding it there. Why is it not though? So it's actually filling that in. Ads are null. This is like simple JavaScript, so I'm interested. Add removed. So ads, it doesn't find it. Document query selector not working in Chrome extension. Okay, add event listener, object document query selector. Doesn't have secondary at the time your code is executed. The element is added to the page dynamically after your code is already run. You can get around this by mutations. With the example you gave, I presume you're trying to explore YouTube DOM. The secondary node seems to exist, but not during the first render. Maybe you could try after DOM loaded event. Using document query selector, error, cannot read property. Content scripts. That it is used every time a page is open that matches a certain URL pattern. Content scripts, okay. Content script. Okay, that's good. I actually do maybe want that. Okay. Maybe I want to switch to that. So I don't actually need this. I actually need this service worker. Although, content script. I'm like of two minds. I feel like there's benefit to being able to click and see, even just for us now. Manifest. For reading and manipulating the DOM. Match URLs. Include blobs. I feel like you must be able to do the DOM. Background worker. Manipulate DOM in Chrome extension. Background service worker, document get element by ID. Okay, yes. Just answer your question. Access to switch page DOM. Okay. Oh, maybe that's what it is. Maybe it's trying to access the extension pages DOM. Content script. Content scripts. This page loads. Everything happens using messaging. Cannot send DOM elements and so on. It can only send JSON code. To programmatic. In the tab on demand. This is the last expression of context could be used to extract data. Permission scripting. Active tab. Chrome executive permission. Simple call. Document query selector. Ooh, text content. It's weird that it's not like, okay, so this should actually be running. This should be, I'm gonna console log this. Console log, and then I just wanna like add this. But I'm actually gonna do it from, not there. Let's do this as like, is there another item that I can grab here? Class. Yeah, I feel like there's always going to be a side CTA. Okay, let's refresh this. Okay, here we go. Console. Let's clear this. Okay, so that's finding lots of those. But none of those. So obviously this is loading afterwards. This must be loading. Must be loading this afterwards. Zone container. I wonder if I can just do this. Everyone loves Stack Overflow. And let's refresh this. Clear this and run it again. Okay, so it's grabbing everybody loves Stack Overflow. Okay, let me try that one then. Okay, let's refresh this, clear this, and let's run it. Okay, 6. So that got rid of 4 add removed. Did it get rid of anything important though? I wonder where it's running that everybody, hold on, elements. Everyone loves Stack Overflow. So that's where. Okay, so we're seeing one there. Everyone loves Stack Overflow is where? Why is this? Yeah, I don't like the basing it on that everybody loves Stack Overflow thing. I mean, I like that better if the ID contains Google Ads. If ID contains JavaScript. Query selector. Oh. And ID star equals. Yeah, I need to change this to single and that to single. Oh, no. That's going to be double and then that and then single. I feel like this will be more universal. Let's refresh this. Okay, that's sick. But then I actually want to grab the surrounding div. Okay, so that's fine. Okay, get parent element JavaScript. Parent element. Okay, try yourself. Rx element ID, parent element node name. Element. Parent element. Let's see if that'll do it for us. Oh, no. Parent element for each add parent element style display. Okay, let's see if that works. Refresh this. Whoa, I don't want to get the full parent element. I literally just made my whole page disappear. Parent element, dang. Not the top level, get the parent of an element. Parent div. Parent node? Parent node. Okay, let's try this. Refresh. No, it's doing that on the top level. Holy moly. Okay, let's refresh that again. Parent element, but not top. Get parent element JavaScript. Okay, we don't want to go the DOM node's parent element or null if the node either has no parent. Previous sibling. Yes, this is what I want. Previous sibling. Refresh. Cannot read properties of null. Previous sibling. First child. Previous element. Parent element. The DOM node's parent element, or null. What's parent? It's in a DOM element. No. Okay, get root node. Last child, child nodes, parent node, parent element, parent node. Previous sibling, what's this? Specify one in its parent child nodes list. A node representing the previous. Okay, get element B1. No, I don't want the previous sibling. Where's the parent node? Parent node is going to the top of the DOM. Climbing up the parent tree. Query selector H1, return the app. To go several levels. Element closest. H1 closest. Hero. H1. Okay, so that's going to find the H1, return the hero element. H1 closest hero returns the hero element. Parent node closest. Break. Can I just do... So you start with the first element of a parent element closest. What about just closest? Let's go back over here. No, let's just run it in our code. Let's go closest. Do I need to run this? No. Let's see if this will work. I don't know if it will, but we're gonna see. We'll refresh our extension. Closest. Property of null. Okay, that won't work. Can I just do closest div? Closest parent. Walking the DOM. Okay. I'm not the children. Child nodes. Okay, don't want child nodes. Next sibling. No, I want how to traverse the DOM. Root nodes, document, body, parent node. P parent node. It's going to be the body. Okay. Oh, well, wait, hold on. Am I wrong with what this looks like in here? Hold on. Let me refresh this page. Okay, so this should remove that. But it's still leaving this, like, report this ad stuff. Maybe this is... No, so this is inside here. Hire me. Yeah, I just want... Maybe I just do JSON container. Maybe I'll do this. Closest Dot style. Let's refresh that. Here's clear all. Let's see if this will work. No, it's throwing an error. Cannot read properties of null. Where was the traversing? Closest. Closest. JavaScript. Closest div. Oh, closest div. Hold on. It was what I was looking for then, I guess. Clear all that. Okay. 5 ads removed. Did it not remove what I thought it was going to remove, though? Hold on. Closest div. Closest div. Okay, so here's this one. Div. Okay, so it's finding Google Ads. And then, okay, let's actually just find this then. Fine. JS zone container. I don't know if this is going to work everywhere, but we'll see. Refresh. Okay, good enough. It's doing what I want it to do. It's hiding them. Okay, so let's go here now. Can I grab the current URL for the page? We might not get all the way. We might actually have to return to this next week. We'll see how far we get, actually. By the way, hello, everybody. We got a lot of people watching right now. Some people over on Twitch, some people on X, some people on YouTube. We're building a Chrome extension right now, if you're interested. An ad blocker extension, Chrome extension. Okay. So now I want to switch this from that to that like content scripts. Content scripts. Content groups. Exclude globs. So we're going to update this. I don't actually need this background service worker. I don't want to run this. I just want to run script. Don't care about this. Don't care about any of this. All frames. Don't know about any of this. Run a document idle. Don't know about any of that. Don't know about any of this. I'm going to leave all this permission stuff here for now. And we're going to see. We refresh this. And then back over here. So this should be running, but our service worker is not running. Content scripts. Files, JS array, match URLs, matches, exclude, include, exclude, JS JS, content scripts, yes. Run at document start, document idle. Page is loading, the DOM and resources have finished loading. This is the default. Okay, world, isolated main. Just give then default isolated, which is the executing to the content script. Using main will be the script would share the executing with the host JavaScript browser. Okay, there are risks involved in using main. Run on every page tutorial. Okay, welcome. Great content scripts content JSON, core selector article, data heading. Okay, should look like this. Extension or Chrome Web Store documentation. Which is the Chrome Web Store and the content strips. Match pattern and manifest. Do we need match pattern? Matches, scripts, JS scripts, world isolate. I guess I don't need these. Okay, what if I do just like stackoverflow.com? Content scripts, script.js, content script, yes. Okay, don't need this anymore. Run scripts. Yeah, let's do this in our manifest. Let's just do this HTTPS Stack Overflow. Refresh. See if this will run here. Okay, sick. So, oh. 2 ads removed. Okay, it didn't remove all of them though. What if I want to do... So I guess it's removing some, but not all. What if I refresh this? So it did remove 2 ads. Okay, I need to console log. I want to actually console log the ad. And refresh. And I might end up redoing the manifest too. Let's do this on any site. Okay, so it is grabbing this one. But it's not actually adding. What about the add closest JS zone container? Refresh, head back over here. I guess that's loading after the page loads. So what are my options for content scripts? Run script on every page. Yeah, I guess that must not load until afterwards. Because I was looking for any ID that had those Google Ads IDs. So maybe, what if I just look for... What if I looked for all the IDs that were? Can I wait until page load? Wait until all elements are loaded. On load. Let's see what this does. When does this run? Okay, so I actually want to wait until page load. There we go. All right, so we get a brief flash there, but then the ads disappear. So that's cool. That's what I want. I like that. Cool. All right. So now we go, that runs on the page load. But I actually don't really care to. Do I want to, because this JS zone container is very specific to, what if I go to another site that has Google Ads? Google Ads site. What's another site with Google Ads chat? List of sites running Google Ads. Wikipedia. Wikipedia.org. Ads. See if their ads page has ads. Advertising. No, I need another one. That's not true. Oh. We're not going to go to some of those sites. Websites with Google Ads, convert search partners. I need sites that have top Google ad spend. Actually, hold on a second. I feel like I should just be able to search for like edit as HTML. Let's just search for a site that we know will do this. Google. Are they running Google Ads over here? That would surprise me. No. Hacker News isn't running ads. What are like really good sites that run ads? I just need like a sample site that I can use aside from Stack Overflow that are using Google Ads. I mean, it's fine. Like this is still finding it. Is it though, actually? Because that just loaded. Why is that throwing an error now? Inconsistent. Maybe it's because it's always looking for that DOM. I feel like I should just put it on the actual ad. Like I shouldn't be that worried about it. This is really just a sample, so let's just refresh this. It's like super inconsistent. How can I wait until, does that like, I wonder if it like throws out third-party issues, SCA, 2 user messages, client SCA. No idea what this SCA thing is. Doesn't really matter. Okay, well, it's kind of doing the job. Now it's not doing the job at all. What the heck? So it doesn't run on every page load. Sometimes it catches it. I want to load when it is done fetching. Image, JS, WASM other, event WASM, WS, manifest media, image. Request URL. Maybe that's what I want to do. JavaScript based on. Yeah, I feel like that's maybe a good JS. Yeah, because it's not going to call that every time. Run JavaScript after okay, window launch function, credits true. How to execute a after page load in JavaScript. What's this? Page on load. Yeah, maybe I'll set like a couple second delay. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Function. And then I'll do it here. Let's do this. Let's do it like 2 seconds after the page loads. Refresh. That should give time for all of that stuff to be built over here. Let's try this. So now, okay, so it's always going to take a minute. Okay, good. Okay, that seems to be doing it. Okay, sick. So basically you do get this like brief ad, but then it's going to go away. But I want to undo this for a second. Remove from Chrome. No, cancel. I want to disable this for a second. So I want this to be universal. Inspect. Oh, wait, what? Hold on. Okay, there we go. Search based on href. Okay, so get element by href. Okay, get element by href. Get elements by tag name. Okay, that's what I want. Vector alt a href, and then start with equals Google Ads. Or maybe contain Google Ads. Yeah, I want contain Google Ads. And then I want to go add style, no, and then I want to go up one level. Closest div style display none. Okay, let's refresh this, turn it on, refresh it. And now Why are you not running? Google Ads, console log ads. Okay, let's do that. Refresh. Give it 2 seconds. Google Ads found 0. Maybe this. And refresh. See if it finds any. Google Ads found 0. Does that actually work? Selector A, href. Okay. JavaScript get element by href. Okay, get element by ID. Get all elements. JavaScript get all elements with href containing. Okay, query selector all href. Or Laura, you can use this href. Is that going to get it sufficient works? Oh, Brett, what about this? Let's try this. Just href. Okay, yes. Ads. Maybe we'll just search for that. Let's refresh. refresh this. Why are you not finding any ads? Oh, and yet, wait, did it remove it? Hold on. Google Ads found none. Why are you not finding? Did these not contain Google Ads? Ah, I see. Oh, that's interesting, actually. So that one contains Google Ads. Did it find that though? Okay, so that does. Ahref contains Google Ads. Okay, query selector all. Why is that not finding it? Query selector all. No, you can use query selector all, href value. Get all href attributes. What's I get href and DOM? Check out href case certain combination. Query selector all. This 2023. Oh, that's jQuery. Oh no, that's jQuery. Yeah, it's all jQuery stuff. Oh, maybe that's what it was. Attribute, JavaScript. Oh, get all links that contain a certain word. Ahref. Google Ads. Isn't this what I have? Slightly different. Fresh. Should be showing finding 0 Google Ads. Why? Google Ads found 0. Even though oh, contain Amazon, Google Ads. Maybe now, maybe it was just I messed up there. Yeah, but that's iframe. Maybe just that one. That one should definitely return. Is this just that I'm not okay, maybe this will have a recommendation. Modify using Copilot. Why is this not finding all Ahrefs with Google Ads in the URL? Isn't that what I already have? I mean, maybe I'll just do ads. I'm just gonna do this. See if that changed anything. I don't think it will, but Nothing. Nothing in there. Why? Why are you not finding this? Does it change every time? Is this all in the iframe or something? Can you not search by that? Okay, this was exactly what I had before. So this should. Okay, what if I look for every element that has, I don't know, for friggin', I don't know, edit attribute, S static. Maybe it's just a specific to the ads thing. Maybe it's not ahref, maybe it's image source. Okay, so that got all of those. ahref. Click a href add click. Okay, so this is good, but which is it not finding this? So that is finding that, and then okay, so it should be adding to the closest div. Maybe? Okay, let's try this. Okay, if I delete that. So if I delete this, it disappears. So if I find the A with the href of that and go hide. Google Ads. No. Style, Google Ads, ads length, ad style. Okay. Refresh. No. Refresh. How do you not find any? Are you just like not setting the same one now? Or add click. Or in JavaScript CSS selector. or in CSS. What am I doing here? Do query selector all. Query selector all JavaScript or. Note or alert. Returns of all div elements with the document with the class. Or, and what was our thing in here? What were we looking for? Add click. Google Ads. Add click. Where'd my hrefs disappear to? Google Ads. I don't freaking get this, people. Why is this selector not working? Maybe it's because... Okay, hold on. I think this is going to throw an error for me, but I really don't care. Wait, what? Console log ads dot refresh 0. Why? I want to know query selector all. How to manage lists. Ooh, ad block filters. I want to close this for a second. DOM content loaded. So this is what I thought. This is what I thought. Maybe this is what I need. DOM content loaded. Is this what it was? This isn't. Refresh. Console log. What is this guest showing me? Where did that go? So it's showing this. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Like, littering around with this. All right, we're gonna spend another like 5 minutes on this before we sort of do our plan for the next stream next week. Actually, it'll be 2 weeks. We're gonna be back here in 2 weeks because I'm doing a different stream next week. Okay. Okay, so why are you not throwing? What if I do ads? Ads is not defined. What do you mean ads is not defined? Ads, document query selector, href, Google Ads. Ads. Great, let's refresh this. I mean, we've gotten kind of halfway there. Not halfway, no, about halfway, actually. Okay, why is that not running? Maybe this is why. We actually just needed to update that. No. I feel as though oh wait, hold on. Redo that. Length. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of that. Okay, let's see if this works because this is really gonna be a telltale sign. Extensions, refresh. Okay, 0. There's got to be something to here. I want to actually find this exact thing. No, I don't believe this. Query selector all href. What else do we got in Stack Overflow? Maybe you need to go as a container specific case. So this is what a lot of these are sending through to us, but I don't think that's true. href 1 2 3 4 5 6. Run code snippet. Query selector. href equals. So it is this. It is definitely this. href equals. So this is it. This should be. Query selector all. I mean, what if I just grab all href? Does this work? Let's find all links on the page. Okay, found 183 links. Great. Oh, and then I removed all of the. That's hilarious. Okay, then I displayed none of them. Okay, so that's fine. href contains. What does this one contain? So it's interesting because it didn't actually. Oh, interesting. So it removed everything, but it didn't remove the ads. Well, that would explain it. Interesting. I mean, what was I basing it on before? Before I started to go into the link? I feel like, what was I basing it on? ID contains Google Ads. I just feel like ID is going to be so different. Okay, so yeah, it's not finding this. Maybe that loads afterwards. Target blank, AW0. Run script after Google Ads loads. Oh my God, it's running on every page. Oh, that's hilarious. All right, that's after entire page load function. Dev calls after page load that external script remix my site, lazy load. Load ad script statistically. Run script after Google Ads load. Run JavaScript after all scripts have loaded. On load. Window on load. DOM content added. Initially parts of that, waiting for stashed images. Run JS function after all functions. Ready state equals complete. Delay. On ready state change. DOM content load. I'm not sure you have the external scripts are loaded. After all script files have been loaded. This is old. Okay, this is old too. No, try to run. All right, we're gonna give it on queue JavaScript for all other scripts. Run after DOM is fully loaded. DOM content loaded. Do this by, I don't know, for example, this shows how to find the load DOM load. Note the DOM may be loaded as soon as every image resource. After run JavaScript after all resources loaded. So that load function should... What if I just wait longer? If I wait like 10 seconds or 5 seconds? Still no, hey? Just was not seeing that as an href. Does it ignore this? Target blank, on mouse over, on focus. Is it set to ignore this? I really want to figure this out before we go today. Iframe. I guess it must be. Just turn this off for a second. Okay, this is here. Google Ads iframe, iframe. Where is this? Oh, I see. It's within the iframe. So that's why. Maybe just Google syndication. Iframe. Source. Contains Google. Okay, let's try that. Iframe. Iframe. Source equals Google or contains Google. Try this, return that back on. We're gonna have to wait 5 seconds now. Okay, and then we're gonna do closest div. Closest div 200 fresh. Okay, so that grabbed the closest div. But I wanted to go a couple divs up. I mean, I'm okay with that. It hides it, right? What if I added background color? Just add a background color. Maybe instead of hiding, I just want to add a background color. Oh, okay. Yeah, what if I did style? Background. Color. Background. red? No. No. Display. None. So that's actually not... Oh, I didn't reload this. That's better. That's good. So that's actually removing it. Is it going to show back up again, though? I don't know. I don't think so. Okay. So I know we're 2 hours in, 2.5 hours in. So I think we're going to call it there for today. And I know we didn't get very far. That's okay. That's the nature of these streams. But what we did get is we have a functional tool that actually now on page load. I'm going to remove this as well because I don't think I need this. I think that is no longer needed. I think that I can refresh this now. Yeah, whatever. There's errors. But I think I can actually just run this now. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe it's still gonna... Nope, I can't. I do have to wait. That's fine. It's fine. I'm not super worried. Not super bothered. It does still work. There's a little bit of a delay there, but so on our next stream, what we are going to be doing, and there we go, we should remove it. Awesome. So on our next stream, what we're going to be doing is adding some functionality here, which basically would allow for you to have like a platform where you have users register for like a certain level of ad removal. And so basically the idea here is that depending on what kind of account a user is under and the feature flag that's set there, you're going to be able to target which ads they don't see. So sometimes it might be Google, sometimes it might be like another ad provider, but that's going to be our stream topic for next week. And let me pull my screen down. So that's going to be our topic for next week. So if you were interested in this and you want to see kind of how this whole process kind of finishes off, you can come back then. But today we looked at sort of starting the process of building an extension. We've got one working. So again, here it is working here. So you'll see here that we have these ads that show up. And then after a couple seconds on the page load, they disappear. And so this is sort of a functional ad to remove ads, but maybe we want to add the ability to have a little bit more fine-grained control based on the user or the desktop or what they see, depending on the system. So next week, we're going to do that, add OpenFeature flags, or another day in the future, but stay tuned. So it's a little bit longer than I'd hoped, but I think we're going to be able to get there, and I'm pretty excited. So thanks so much for tuning in. If you were hoping that we would get there all the way, not quite yet, but that's totally okay. So don't forget, be here next Friday. There's going to be some great stuff all through next week. It's going to be awesome. But until then, thank you so much for watching, and looking forward to seeing you around the DevCycle community, which you can find by following the little blue bar at the bottom of the screen, which will show you how to get to our Discord community. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you around the DevCycle community. Bye-bye, everybody.
Don't go in there. They're having the let's try to figure out what customers want meeting again. It's gotten a little weird.
Signups are strong, but adoption of key features remains stagnant. What do you do?
We gotta merge that PR. Yeah, we have to. That's our only choice. Okay. We cast merge on the PR for the new dashboard. Oh no.
Your actions have caused the company to go viral. for the wrong reason.
God.
Oh no, what do we do?
Roll for initiative.
No, I can't. No,
New features shouldn't be left to a roll of the dice. Use DevCycle to ship with low risk and instant rollbacks. Unrolls, re-rolls. How do we make this into a dice pun?